Honda Civic C repair cost. Honda Motor Company, commonly simply known as Honda, is a Japanese public multinational conglomerate manufacturer of automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment, headquartered in Minato, Tokyo, Japan. The 2020 Honda Civic C is a sportier version of the Honda Civic, known for its enhanced performance and additional features. Below are some of the key features of the 2020 Honda Civic C. Servicing your Honda Civic C is crucial to maintaining its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key service aspects to consider. Regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. This typically includes routine services like oil changes, fluid checks, tire rotations, and filter replacements. Stay on top of scheduled maintenance intervals to ensure your Civic C continues to operate optimally. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential for keeping your engine properly lubricated and protected from wear and tear. Use the recommended oil type and viscosity specified by Honda for your Civic C engine. Fluid checks and flushes. Periodically check and top off essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Follow manufacturer recommendations for fluid flushes and replacements to maintain system performance. Brake system. Inspect brake pads, rotors, and calipers regularly for signs of wear and tear. Replace brake components as needed to ensure safe and efficient braking performance. Suspension and steering. Keep your Civic Ci's suspension and steering components in good condition by inspecting them for signs of damage or wear. Replace worn-out shocks, struts, bushings, and steering components to maintain ride quality and handling. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and ensure tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Rotate tires at regular intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Engine and performance tune-ups. Periodically inspect and replace spark plugs, ignition coils, and air filters to maintain engine performance. Consider performing a performance tune-up to optimize engine power and efficiency. Electrical system. Inspect and test the battery regularly to ensure it's holding a charge and functioning properly. Check electrical components such as lights, switches, and fuses for proper operation. Safety systems. Test safety features such as airbags, seat belts, and electronic stability control systems to ensure they're functioning correctly. Address any warning lights or error codes promptly by diagnosing and repairing underlying issues. Professional service. For complex repairs or diagnostics, consider seeking assistance from a certified Honda technician or reputable automotive service center. Regularly scheduled maintenance at a Honda dealership ensures that factory-trained technicians perform services according to manufacturer specifications. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing issues promptly, you can keep your Honda Civic C running smoothly and enjoy its performance for years to come.